Hey, it's your friend Steve. Back again, week 3, 2-0 with the Lions. I went out and I decided, you know what? I'm all in. This is my year to win the Super Bowl. I went out and I got D-Hop from the Cardinals for a first and 2 fourths. Oh, I overpaid, but I need that big receiver, man. I want to win. I want to win the World Series. I want to win the Super Bowl this year. I think I got the players to do it. Defense is playing out of its mind right now, and I might actually go out and try to trade for someone on the defense. But right now, I think this team's I got all the firepower I need to compete with people. Not the great first play, but that's fine. Looking for D-Hop. He's still not here. All right, cool. J-Mo, baby. J-Mo's mad that I went out and traded for him. He's like, I'm number 2, baby. And that's perfect. I'll take that. I'll take that, guys. Where the fuck is D-Hop? J-Mo, baby. J-Mo's mad. I love it. Love it, J-Mo. Play angry. Play angry. I'll take it. I need this kind of game. Where is Cool. That was a bad throw. Bad throw. Bad throw. Okay, but let's just look at this coaching real quick. What? They traded me an injured player? Cardinals, you're dirty, dude. That's dirty. That's dirty, guys. That is ridiculously dirty, Cardinals. Nice catch. Wow. Wow. Cardinals might be just like a franchise that's dead to me. Oh. Crazy. That's insane. How do you trade someone when they're injured? Oh, come get some. Maybe D-Hop will be here for the playoffs? I didn't even see how long he was injured for. I'm just like flabbergasted that I guess maybe he hurt himself during practice, but that'd be just a horrible coincidence. Fuck. I walked into that. That's on me. Just got close to the first down. I can't believe that. Get hoed. Oh, nice save, dude. That was a horrible throw. That was a horrible offline throw. St. Brown saved me on that one. Oh, well, I didn't get saved on that one. Fuck, dude. That was a good play, though. I gotta run the ball more. What's left? Yeah, let's just run the ball. I can't. I mean, Richardson can't throw 50 fucking interceptions in a season. I mean, I like Williams, but why is Williams in there a lot? He's just in there. They really just keep calling that one play. He's going to have a lot of interceptions. I think I'm averaging like 2 a game right now. That's not good. That's an easy touchdown. Thank you. I'll take it. It's a high-scoring game. I was like really looking forward to D-Hop being in this game. Ooh, Mingo. Oh, you didn't get that. Fuck. That was a nice, that would have been a nice play. Oh. I trust his arm too much. I really don't even know if his arm's that good. St. Brown, can you burn him like JMO does? You can? Nope. Wow, who was playing receiver on that play? Golly, I don't even like St. Brown like that, bro. I might trade St. Brown. That was a terrible route. Terrible route. Now we're gonna fucking go for it. What's the worst that can happen? JMO, just go deep. Oh, JMO getting lit up. Mango? Damn. I mean, he laid out for that one. Definitely laid out for it. I mean, didn't get it, but he laid out like a motherfucker for it, and I appreciate that. I'd rather them, if they don't even make it, that's cool, but if you don't put an effort in, I wonder why you're on my team. Ooh. Mango. Mango's got some abilities. I think he went to the Panthers in real life. I think that he's going to have a nice little career with the Panthers. Now, why is Gibbs not playing a lot? I noticed that. Oh, that's just nice. That's just nice defense. I can't even be mad at that. That's just nice defense. Mango! That was a beautiful fucking throw. Someone catch the damn ball for this man. This man's throwing some lasers, and you're dropping them like your hands are stone. Come on, JMO. Do something for me, JMO. Uh-oh. Play breaks down, I got to go. I like my AR-15. Oh. That's a nice, I mean, he's having a nice little game. Those 3 interceptions are not great. Not ideal. Is Gibbs dead? I've not seen Gibbs all game. I'll take it. I'll take all the breaks I can get, guys. That was a horrible play. There you go. Way to redeem yourself. Way to redeem it. James William, that's not a Williams play. That's a Gibbs play. St. Brown, you're going to get yourself a touchdown right here. Come on. Get yourself a touchdown. You deserve it. You deserve it. So great. This is a weird-ass game. Oh, he broke off. He broke off on that play. Oh, there's Gibbs. What the fuck, Gibbs? Where you been all game? Some lucky interceptions. Some lucky interceptions. Kind of why I traded for D-Hop, because D-Hop catches those. Okay, why is he not around? Why is he just like straight up on the bench? Yeah, I fucked up. I fucked up on that one. I mean, Williams is a great player and all, but I cannot run with Williams. I mean, Williams is just like way too slow. Oh shit! I need someone to make some plays. Come on, guys. Make some plays. Nah, that's not it. Fuck, dude. Anybody feel like making a play or two? Mingo! Not close enough. Maybe close enough? Let's do it. What's the worst that could happen? I haven't made a play all game. Why not make one right now? You got that. Thank you. Like, AR-15 is faster than Jamal Williams. The 5 interceptions is problematic. I might need to go ahead and sign another running back. Oh, I forgot I had a backup offensive lineman as a tight end. Ooh, boy. Oh boy, Mingo. Step up. Step up, Mingo. Put a little pride in your name. Oh, fuck me. My name is Jonas. Fuck. One more time, JMO? Oh, that's a pick. Damn, dude. Play some defense on offense is great. I love it. Well, it looks like it's going to come down to the wire yet again. Unless my defense can bail me out. Ooh! On the 6! Oh, love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. He actually did run pretty good on that drive. I mean, that play, but I don't wait. He's just not fast enough for me. And honestly, I just signed him so I could put him in the goal line because I don't think Gibbs is good on the goal line. But we'll see. We're 1 first down away from sealing this game and going 3-0 with an injured D-Hop. The Cardinals is a shitty organization. Oh my... Okay. Jonas! Jonas Brothers! Alright, I'm playing defense. I'm playing defense. Play it all, baby. Custom. Play it all. Miracle. That was a miracle. "12 seconds, guys. Bring it out. Bring it out." Oh, damn. All right. Just don't let Jefferson beat us. Oh my God, why didn't you pick it off? Dude, Kirk Cousins had a game. This must be at 1 p.m. Oh! Three and oh. Not to the last two have been so lucky. AR-15, 3-0, baby. Till next week.